Yes, yellowing of teeth is a common thing, however. Due to this, we have to face severe embarrassment at parties or any gathering place. Have you ever wondered why this happens and why our teeth turn yellow? In medical science, this condition is called teeth yellowness or teeth discoloration. If any of our parents has the issue of teeth discoloration, then this issue gets transferred to the newborn babies during fetal development, due to which the teeth of the babies get affected. Color changes. Similarly, fluoride is a chemical which strengthens our teeth, but if it is used excessively, like excessive use of fluoride toothpaste or fluoride tablets, fluoride turns our teeth yellow. This condition, it is called fluorosis. If we talk about the structure of human teeth, the topmost layer of the teeth is called enamel, while the second topmost layer is called dentine. The enamel is a thin white layer which gives white color to our teeth. However, as we grow up, this layer also keeps on becoming very thin, so much so that the enamel layer is completely destroyed and the dentine, which is the yellow layer, comes to the fore. This is the reason why people of older age have yellow eyes even after brushing their teeth. Similarly, cigarette smoking and many foods and drinks also turn our teeth yellow. During cigarette smoking, traces of nicotine remain on our teeth, which turn our teeth yellow and brown. Our daily food, it has become very common to use tomato curry, spice, wine, etc. in intake and drinks. These foods contain many such pigments, like tannins in coffee and tea, which get attached to our teeth and change their color. Treatment people think that using activated charcoal, baking soda, or citrus fruits whitens the color of teeth, whereas the citric acid present in charcoal and citrus fruits decomposes the topmost layer enamel of our teeth. Hence, their excessive use can harm our teeth. The color of teeth may change permanently. For those people in whom teeth discoloration has not yet developed much, doctors suggest routine brushing and flossing and teeth cleaning after every 6 months. However, if teeth discoloration is due to excess fluoride, then it needs to be treated. For this, doctors suggest such treatment methods in which porcine covering is done on the teeth. We will discuss the treatment methods of teeth discoloration in detail in our upcoming videos. So hope that you will definitely learn something new from today's video. I will meet you in a new video with a new topic. Thank you.